We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to present a comprehensive overview of the Uncluttered Designs Makeup Organizer with drawers. This product is designed as a modern countertop storage solution for cosmetics and beauty essentials, featuring a chic vanity holder suitable for cologne, skincare, brushes, lipsticks, nail polish, and other personal items. Its clean and elegant design with smooth lines and curves offers a contemporary look that fits well on dressers, bathroom counters, or office spaces. Unlike many acrylic organizers, this one uses thick, sturdy plastic that feels substantial and durable, avoiding any tacky or flimsy appearance. One of the standout features of this organizer is its thoughtful compartmentalization. It includes multiple shelves, compartments, and deep drawers of varying sizes, allowing users to store a wide range of items neatly and visibly. This design makes it easy to find and access products at a glance, which is a common challenge with cluttered countertops. The organizer's footprint is small, making it ideal for limited spaces, yet it offers ample internal storage capacity. Users have noted that it holds a surprising amount of products without crowding the surface, making it a practical choice for those looking to declutter. The waterproof and washable nature of the material is another significant advantage. This feature is particularly useful for bathroom environments where spills and moisture are common. The organizer's superior drainage and easy-to-clean surface help maintain hygiene and prevent messes from accumulating. It is suitable for storing not only makeup, but also skincare products, hair products, perfumes, and other beauty supplies, making it a versatile addition to any vanity or bathroom counter. Performance-wise, many users have praised the organizer for effectively clearing up clutter and keeping counters and nightstands tidy. Some have purchased multiple units to use in different rooms, such as bedrooms and bathrooms, attesting to its utility and aesthetic appeal. The color options, including the blue variant reviewed here, have been well received for adding a pop of color while maintaining a modern look. However, there are a few drawbacks noted by some customers. A recurring issue involves the bottom drawer, which in some cases can be difficult to slide in and out smoothly. This problem has been attributed to a slight warping of the base, which affects drawer alignment. While this does not affect all units, it is a point to consider for those seeking flawless drawer operation. Another minor complaint is the desire for a slightly larger size, especially for users who want to store larger items such as colognes or bulkier beauty products. Stability has also been mentioned as a concern by a few users, with reports that the organizer does not always stay securely latched. Overall, the Uncluttered Designs Makeup Organizer offers a professional and stylish solution for organizing cosmetics and personal care items. It balances form and function well, providing a sturdy, easy-to-clean, and visually appealing storage option. Its modern design fits seamlessly into various decor styles, and its compartmentalized layout addresses diverse storage needs effectively. While minor issues with drawer fit and size preferences exist, the organizer's benefits outweigh these concerns for most users. If you have this item, please leave a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The link to the product is in the description to support the channel and provide easy access for those interested in purchasing this organizer.